I need a light. I'm blind. Boy.
The electric one or the other one?
Both of them. I need to pick them up.
Alright, we got one installed. Tow arm. Gs300. Because I eat my tires up. Some old school 3-piece wheels, boy. And then got this hella fire, y'all. Hella fire. These are the front calipers. That's like a Lexus ISF color. Fucking dope. Those LS 402 rotors. Yeah, super stoked. I'm gonna do the rears same color and then add a second one. And the front's gonna be low again, probably like that. The side is low. Yeah, but these arms are super easy to get on. Just a 19 mil down here. I believe that's a 19 mil. Wait. 17, I lied. This stock is 17 down here. That's a 19 mil. And then this, when you put it back on, is a 19 mil. So it's super easy, and then you just turn it to adjust it. I eat tires up really bad. I also have a welded diff, and that's why. So you can see they're all chalked up. That's not, this isn't camber wear, this is toe wear. So, just so you know. Boy, these are rare. If anyone has some, we're looking for a set. Caraway wheels. They're sick. Sick. Super sick. Sick. My camera mount died, but these are all painted and ready to go. I'll throw some pictures in so y'all can see them. Yeah, everything fits. This is just the new paint. I just painted them black with some gloss on them. Super sick. Gonna get tons of steering angle, new OE tie rods, all the stuff to make it work. Be it.